Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we will be discussing the importance of balancing soft skills and hard skills for classroom excellence. In this video we will explore the definitions of soft and hard skills, provide examples of each and discuss how to effectively incorporate both into your teaching practices. So let's first discuss the concept of soft and hard skills for teachers. Soft skills are interpersonal and intrapersonal abilities. They relate to how people work and interact with each other and are generally learned through personal experience rather than formal education. Soft skills include communication skills, teamwork, emotional intelligence, adaptability, problem solving, and work ethics. On the other hand, hard skills are technical or administrative abilities related to the specific task, job, or tool. They are generally learned at school or in an apprenticeship and are easier to measure than soft skills. Hard skills include programming, machine operation, project management, data analysis, language proficiency, etc. For achieving classroom excellence, teachers require a range of essential soft skills to effectively engage with students and create a conducive learning environment. So let's have a look on these skills. Number one, communication. The ability to convey information clearly and listen actively to students' needs, such as explaining complex concepts in a simple and understandable manner. Number two, empathy. Understanding and relating to students' feelings and experiences, for example, acknowledging and validating students' emotion during challenging times. Number three, patience. Maintaining composure and providing support in students navigate learning challenges, like patiently guiding students through difficult tasks without becoming frustrated. Number four, adaptability. Adjusting teaching methods to accommodate diverse learning styles and unexpected situations. For example, modifying lesson plans to address students' varying needs and interests. Number five, creativity. Developing engaging and innovative lesson plans to stimulate students' curiosity and enthusiasm for learning, such as incorporating interactive activities and multimedia resources into lessons. Number six, active listening. Fully concentrating on what students are saying and responding thoughtfully, for example, paraphrasing students' thoughts to demonstrate understanding and encourage further discussions. Number seven, conflict resolution. Addressing disagreements and misunderstandings constructively, such as facilitating open discussions to resolve conflicts among students. Number eight, teamwork. Collaborating effectively with colleagues, students, and parents to create a cohesive and supportive educational community, like working with other educators to plan cross-curricular activities. Number nine, leadership. Inspiring and motivating students to reach their full potential and take on responsibilities within the classroom, for example, empowering students to lead group projects and discussion. Number 10, time management. Prioritizing tasks effectively and maximizing instructional time, such as creating a well-structured daily schedule to optimize learning opportunities. On the other hand, the top 10 essential hard skills required by teachers for classroom excellence are as follows. Number one, subject matter expertise. Proficiency in the subject area being taught, such as mathematics, science, or language arts, and the ability to explain complex concepts in an understandable manner, like simplifying algebraic equations for middle school students. Number two, pedagogical knowledge. Understanding of effective teaching methods and strategies, such as differentiated instruction and inquiry-based learning, and the ability to adapt these approaches to meet diverse students' needs, like using visual aids to explain scientific processes. Number three, assessment and evaluation. Competence in designing and implementing various forms of assessments, including formative and summative assessments, and using assessment data to inform instructional decisions, such as analyzing students' performance to tailor future lessons. Number four, classroom management. Skills in creating and maintaining a positive and structured learning environment, including behavior management techniques and establishing clear expectations, like implementing a reward system to promote positive behavior. Number five, technology integration. Proficiency in utilizing educational technology tools and platforms to enhance instruction and student engagement, such as incorporating interactive multimedia presentation into lessons. Number 6, curriculum development. Ability to design and adapt curriculum materials to align with educational standards and meet the needs of diverse learners, like creating project-based learning units that integrate multiple subjects. Number 7. Differentiated instruction. Capacity to modify teaching methods and materials to accommodate individual learning styles and abilities, such as providing varied reading materials suited to different reading levels in a single classroom. Number 8. Data analysis. Competence in analyzing students' performance data to identify trends and inform instructional planning, such as using assessment results to identify areas for targeted intervention. Number 9. Special education expertise. Understanding of strategies and accommodations for students with diverse learning needs, such as creating individualized educational plans and implementing assistive technology. Finally, parental engagement. Ability to effectively communicate and collaborate with parents or guardians to support students' academics and socio-emotional development, such as conducting regular parent-teacher conferences and providing constructive feedback on student progress. Finding the right balance between soft and hard skills is crucial for achieving classroom excellence. While hard skills are important for delivering content and meeting academic objectives, soft skills are equally essential for building relationships, fostering collaboration, and promoting a positive classroom culture. By combining both sets of skills, educators can create a holistic learning environment that supports students' growth, development, and success. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.